In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with others. Sharing your calendar is a convenient way to coordinate schedules, plan events, and ensure seamless communication, whether for personal or professional use. So, let's walk through the process step by step to make sure you're able to do this as effortlessly as possible. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Calendar. Begin by navigating to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account associated with the calendar you want to share. If you're not signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials on the sign-in page. Once you're in your calendar interface, take a look at the left side of the screen under My Calendars. Here you'll find a list of all the calendars you've created or have access to. Hover your cursor over the specific calendar you'd like to share. This is an important step as it ensures you're managing the right calendar for sharing settings. Next, it's time to dive into the settings. Directly next to the calendar name, you'll see three vertical dots, which is sometimes referred to as a kebab menu. Click on these dots and a small drop-down will appear. From the options provided, choose Settings and Sharing. This will open up a comprehensive menu where you can adjust various settings related to that specific calendar. Now let's proceed to sharing your calendar with others. Scroll down through the settings panel until you reach the section titled Share with Specific People or Groups. This is where the magic happens. Look for the button that says Add People and Groups and go ahead and click on it. An input field will appear where you'll need to enter the email address of the person or even a group that you wish to share your calendar with. With the email address in place, the next step involves setting permissions. It's crucial to decide how much access you want to grant. You'll have a few options here, such as see only free busy, see all event details about, or even make changes. Consider how much autonomy you want to give before making a selection. This customization ensures that you retain control over your calendar while still providing necessary access to others. Once you've set the permissions to your liking, it's time to finalize the process by clicking on the Send button. Your invite will be dispatched, and the person you've shared your calendar with will receive an email notification. This email includes a link that allows them to view your calendar according to the access permissions you've granted. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Google Calendar. This newfound capability will no doubt enhance your ability to organize and collaborate more effectively. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.